How you doing, Pipers? Good afternoon, Sonoran Slinger here. I just thought I'd switch on and inform y'all, because I know you're just waiting with bated breath, that I am in the middle of probably, for this blend specifically, I'm in the middle of what I would think is the most heavenly smoke I've had of it yet. It's a Peter Stokkebye Luxury Bullseye Flake. One of my favorites lately. It's a daily for sure. And this isn't the fancy done up stoved version at all or anything like that. Just straight, fold it, stuff it, and when I fold and stuff it, I try to make the Cavendish centers be part of the upper and lower portion of the fold and stuff. So what I have is basically the Cavendish centers meeting each other in the middle on this one. I think I just hit it. The truly sublime nature of this coin cut flake is just I am so grateful it comes in bulk at that fine price. Just kind of eats at me when I pay like some sort of similar amount for a tin, and I'm almost positive that tin is just a portion of the weight you're expecting to get. It just doesn't seem to be as much as it should be. Ends up being delicious tobacco in that tin, and you just want more and more and more, and I don't know. I think I'm just a bulk smoke guy. I got a bunch of yard work done today in the backyard. I gotta get a load of filler in for the backyard and level the whole backyard out, putting in a new pool. Well, I think I'll have all that squared away and the pool filled by the end of the week. And then our videos are going to be different. Our time together is going to be different. Probably going to be hard pressed to find me not floating around on, some sort of an inflatable float in the pool. Puffing my pipe. That is so good. I'm seeing the name dropped a lot more lately, the Stokkebye name. It's been praises haven't been sung as much as they've deserved in the recent past. Such a gem. Fine bulk smoke such as luxury bullseye flakes. You got the English Oriental Supreme. I recommend that one. I'm also looking into getting some of that Orango Balkan Supreme, which I heard might have used to have been Peter Stokkevie Balkan Supreme. Yeah, Millennial Codger turned me on to that one. I feel like I looked at it 4 or 5 times in the past at least before Millennial ended up dropping it, putting the bug in my ear. Just didn't register. I think it's because when I go on the website, you know, there's only one blend under the Orango name. And that be it. And I think that be it, fam. I'm gonna let you go. I just wanted to sing the song of Bullseye Flake at you. Maybe it gets in your ear. I just hope that at least one of you is fortunate enough to have the same experience with it that I do. I think everybody deserves to smoke something that sweet. Have a good one, guys. Sonoran Slinger out.